Hello everyone, it's Austin from Shockley Honda. I just want to take this quick video of this 2021 Honda Pilot Elite that we have. This one's certified pre-owned, as it was just traded in for a different vehicle. I believe they sized down the previous owner. Just a few things right off the bat. This one's going to have full LED headlights along with the LED daytime running lights. And of course it'll come with all the Honda sensing, so it has the sensors to track the speed of the vehicle in front of you, and it has the braking, so if you get too close to the car in front of you as well. Of course it has the keyless access or keyless entry, so there's a sensor on the back of this door handle. When you touch it, it will open it right up. Power driver seat along with power passenger seat. This one's going to be the 7 passengers, so you have your captain's chairs in the second row along with your 3 seats in the rear. This one also has a rear entertainment system with Bluetooth headphones, and a sunroof. Starting the vehicle up. When you sit inside, you'll notice you have your wireless phone charger, along with has the 10-speed transmission, so it's almost like a drive-by-wire system rather than an actual gear shifter you have to press. It's just buttons. And going to the home screen, you have navigation, of course, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all that good stuff. You also have your garage door openers right here on the rearview mirror. And this is also auto dimming, so if a car behind you has their high beams on, this mirror will automatically dim, so that way you're not being blinded by the vehicle behind you. Both driver and passenger seats will be heated and ventilated. Second row seats will be heated. And then this one also has a power tailgate. So by pressing this button or pressing this button on the key fob, if it'll focus, or just kicking your foot underneath the trunk, it'll beep once and open up, as I can demonstrate real quick. Actually, the vehicle may be too close to the wall, but this is just a quick overview of the car. Of course, this has plenty of other features available. But if you'd like to swing by to check it out, ask for Austin here at Shockley Honda in Frederick, Maryland. If you have any questions or concerns, give me a call or shoot me a text on my cell. The number's 240-397-3591. Thank you. Bye.